Hi, my name is Ryan Weber from Fisher & Paykel, and we are here showcasing our refrigerator freezer columns. Column platforms refrigerator can come in 24 and 30, 18, 24, and 30 in refrigerator, and they are 84 inches tall. We have dual temperature zones in our refrigerator that are powered by Active Smart, which keeps your food fresher longer. Same with our freezer, dual zones with Active Smart to keep your food fresher longer. Options for internal water and ice. They can be paired together like you see here with a joiner kit or separate from each other. You can have a beautiful custom panel, or if you choose to have stainless steel panels, we offer that as well. If you'd like to experience Fisher & Paykel's refrigerator freezer columns, please visit any Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center located in Costa Mesa, Studio City, Torrance, and Calabasas.